morning everyone. So let us start our class. So question number 3 we were discussing, right, of exercise 5. So number 3 1 we have done. So let us see question number 2 now. Find the anti-logarithm with the help of the table. So table you have, so you can check the table for finding the values, and in the exam table will not be provided, as I have said. Only the value it will be given in the question. You have to just adjust the decimal point according to its characteristics. Okay, now you can see the table. Say find the anti-logarithm of what? 1 bar 0.8621. Okay, solution: anti-log 1 bar 0.8621, which will be equal to, now if I check the value in the table, what will I get? Just a second. I have to check for what? 86 to 86, then 2, and the mean difference is what? 1. So 86, 2 and 1. Okay, so let me check. 72 plus 1. This will be 72795. Okay, let me check once again. 72795. Okay, now the characteristics part. When the characteristics we write as 1 bar. Now bar comes for the questions where we have decimal point and zeros, means regarding zeros. Okay, we count the zeros. In such type of questions the characteristics comes as what? Bar. -1, -2, once 1 bar, 2 bar. So when this number will come, -1, when? Simple, has to be what? 0 plus 1, then only 1 will come, or not? If I do 0 plus 1 and over here one minus is there only, then only your answer will come -1, which is nothing but 1 bar. So how many zeros are there after decimal point and before first significant digit? There is no zeros. That means zero number of zeros are there. Understood? Or if you can't do it directly, then this way, when this 1 bar formula comes, from which formula it comes? The formula is minus of n plus 1, or not? From this formula. So from this formula, what value we have got? 1 bar. So you write over here 1 bar. 1 bar is nothing but what? 1 bar is nothing but -1. So minus minus cancelled. So n plus 1 is 1. So n is equal to what? 0. So number of zeros after the between the decimal point and first significant digit is what? There are no zeros. So the characteristic was what? 1 bar. So what is the anti-log? 0.7295. Okay. Let us see the next question. Question number 3. 4 bar 4 bar 0.6663. Number 3. 4 bar 0.6663. Okay. So check the anti-log table for 66, 6 and 3. Okay. Seven become plus 3. So it will become 46377. You will get this value. Okay. So now come the decimal point. When the characteristics is 4 bar, the formula was what? Forget about that minus, n plus 1. Okay, this minus is this bar. Okay, forget about that minus. How you will get that n plus 1? How can you express 4 as n plus 1? 3 plus 1. So there will be how much? 3 zeros, isn't it? 3 zeros between the decimal point and the first significant digit. 3 zeros are there. So this is your answer. Okay, pretty simple. If there is 4 bar, 0 will be 1 less, 3 zeros. If there is 1 bar, that means 0 zeros, 1 less than this. Okay, 1 less than this is no 0. 1 less than this is what? 3 0. Like that. Okay. Since in the formula it was n plus 1, over here you decrease 1. And the other one was what? N minus 1. So over here you add 1. Okay, like that. Let us see question number 4. Question number 4. Minus 2.7917. Minus 2.7917. Solution. Now this question you see. Now you cannot say that when the characteristics is minus 2, like what is 4 bar? 4 bar is minus 4, correct? But now you cannot say that when the characteristics is minus 2. See over here the mantissa is negative. If you write in this way, you should write in this way. It means what your mantissa is positive. Your mantissa is positive, but since it is written as minus 2.7917, here the mantissa is negative. So at first you have to make your mantissa positive, okay? So which is equal to minus 2 minus 0.7917. So this is actually, okay, the mantissa is what? Negative. So I will make the mantissa positive, which is equal to, how can I express minus 2? I can express this as minus 3 plus 1. Oh no, minus 3 plus 1 is what? Minus 2 only. And then what is left? Minus 0.7917. Very simple, just express, take that one more value. Minus 2 as what? Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 4 is what? Minus 5 plus 1, like that, okay? Now very simple, minus 3 you keep as it is. Now subtract this from 1. 1 minus this you do, how much you will get? Point will come here, plus point, then over here it will become 3, 2, then 8, and then 0. It will become what? 0.2083 minus 3 plus 0.2083. So these I can write as what? 3 bar 0.2083. See now my mantissa is positive. Okay. Now my mantissa is what? Positive. Is the subtraction correct or no? 2.7917. So let me check the subtraction. I think 2.7917 or 7917. See if I subtract, how much will be? 3, and then how much? 7, 3, 2, 7, and then 3, 8, 0, 2, 1. Yes, point what? 2083 only, isn't it? So let me check. Point 2083. So what is the mantissa? Mantissa is 0.2083. Now you check the anti-logarithm table. So let me check the table also. 0.2083. So what is there for 0.2083? Let me check the table. Check for 20 and then 8 and then 3. 20 and what? 8. Okay. 208. 16144. It is 16144. And then what? 3. 8 and 3. Okay. 16144, 8 and 3. That's 11. Okay. Plus what? Plus 11. So 5, 5, 1, 6, 1, 5, 5. How much I will get? I will get 16155. Now the question is, characteristics is 3 bar. So when the characteristics comes 3 bar, okay, when 3 bar, again the formula was n plus 1, right? So how you can express this one? Means you have to decrease 1. How many? 2 zeros, or not? 2 plus 1, isn't it? 2 plus 1, the value of n will be what? 2. So how many zeros? 2 zeros, isn't it? So what is the antilog of this? 0.0016155. Very simple. Just to check in the antilog table the value. Okay, sorry. At first you have to make the mantissa positive. After making the mantissa positive, just check the value. Can you see? My 3 bar. When 3 bar? 2 plus 1. Or if you have problem, then you write like that, minus n plus 1 is equal to what? 3 bar. Directly write like that if you have problem. Minus n plus 1 equal to 3 bar. So minus n plus 1 is will be equal to what? Minus 3. Minus minus cancelled. Minus minus cancelled. So n plus 1 will be equal to 3. So which implies n will be equal to 2. So number of zeros is how much? 2. Done this way. Or in shortcut, since 3 bar is there, means 3 is how much? 2 plus 1. So 2 zeros. Okay. 1 decrease, you decrease 1 from 3, 2. Okay. Next one is very simple. 2.5591. Number 5, 2.5591. So solution, check the value for 5591. Okay, let me check the value for 5591. Two plus 3, 2, 6 and 3. 36232. Okay, 36232. Okay, done. Now when the characteristics comes to, now there is no bar. That means the formula is this time. That means the formula this time it is not minus of n plus 1. What will be the formula for this? This is positive, right? So the formula was what? N minus 1. This time we have to check for this formula. Since over here there is minus 1, so you add plus 1. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So decimal point will be here after 3 digits. The integer, how many digits are there in the integer section? 3 digits are there. Or you, when this formula will come, since there is no minus, no bar, so the formula will be what? N minus 1. So you make this equal to what? 2, which implies n will be equal to what? 2 plus 1 what? 3. So 3 digits are there, okay? 362.32. What is your answer? 362.32. So while finding logarithm, you have to write at first what? The characteristics. This part is the characteristics part, okay? While writing logarithm and while writing anti-logarithm, you have to write the value. Then where will be the decimal point depending upon the characteristics. While writing logarithm, at first characteristics value, and while writing anti-logarithm, at the last, looking the characteristics, where will be the decimal point. Okay, this is the basic difference. This is the confusing part between anti-logarithm and logarithm. Characteristics and decimal point position. Okay, done. Let us see next question. Given log 2 value is given, log 3 given, log 5 given. Then find number 4. Given log 2 is equal to 0.30103, log 3 47712, and what is given? Log 7 is given as what? 0.69897. 69897. Okay, understood? Okay, why it is always 0 point? Because log 2, right? 2, there is only one digit. So what will be the characteristics? 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 point. 3, 0 point. 7, 1 minus 1, 0. So all it starts with 0 point. Okay, so this is what? This 0 is what? This 0 is the characteristics. Okay, done. Now we have to find the value of what? At first, log of 0.002. So shortcut also you can find. Directly shortcut. What will be the shortcut? That 2 zeros are there. When you will write logarithm, at first you have to write the characteristics. Okay, first characteristics. This is the shortcut one. So there are 2 zeros. So what will be the characteristics? 2 plus 1, 3, and then 1 minus will stay. What will be the characteristics? There are how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there, sir. 2 plus 1 how much? 3 or not? So what will be the characteristics? 3 bar. So 3 bar point, and what will be the value? Value will be of 2 only, na? So what is log 2? 0.30103. So this is the answer. This is one line answer. In shortcut you can find. So, but if you want to do it properly, then how it will become? Log of 0.002. So properly if you want to do, then simple 2 by 1000, isn't it? Which is equal to log of 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, which is log 2 plus log 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so which is equal to, what is the value of log 2? 0.30103 plus, this is what? Plus minus 3 log 10. So this will become minus 3 only, isn't it? So 0.30103 and then what? Minus of 3. Okay, if I write, if I arrange this one, then I can write minus 3 plus 0.30103. Just I have arranged this one. Bring the minus 3 to the first position. So you see, this is your mantissa part, this is your characteristics part. Join them. If I join them, I have to write how? 3 bar. Directly I cannot write. 30103. Okay. Now directly I cannot write. Like this you can't write. Okay. Minus 3.30103. This means what? This means your mantissa is negative. Okay. You have to write either in this way. That is plus mantissa, or when you write like that, you have to write 3 bar. Okay. Understood? 3 bar point 30103. So this is your answer. So now let us see the next one. It is better if you find shortcut. Okay. If you have the shortcut, use the shortcut in the question, in the exam. Log of 25. Now log 25 you can find very easily. Log 7.2, log 300, log 0.5. Okay, any one I will do. Say for example log 0.5 I am doing. Okay, log 0.5. Log 25 is what? 5 square, 2 log 5, 2 into log 5. Log 5 value should have been given. Okay, sorry. So this is not log 7. This is log 5. Yes, obviously 0.69897 is log 5. By mistake I have written log 7. Okay. So log 5 value is what given. That is log of 25 is what? Log of 5 square. That is 2 log 5. 2 into this. Whatever you will get, that will be your answer. Okay. Last one I am doing. Number 5. Number 5 is what? Log 0.15. Okay. Log of 0.15. Okay. So solution. So this one will be what? Log. I can write this one as 15 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is 15 by 100 or not? This is 15 by 100. 0.15 is what? 0.15 is 15 by 100. Means what? Means 15 by 10 square. Means what? 15 into 10 to the power minus 2. Directly I have written. Okay. Okay. So which is equal to log of 15 plus log of 10 to the power minus 2. This is log of 3 5 ja 15 plus minus 2 log 10. This is log 3 plus log 5, then minus 2. Log 10 is 1. Okay. Now what is the value of log 3? Calculate. What is the value of log 3? 0.0477712 plus what is the value of log 5? 0.69897 and then minus 2. So solve this one. Okay. What will happen if I add this one? 0.477712 plus 0.69897, 1.17609. Okay, this will be equal to 1.17609 and then minus 2. Done. Now I can subtract from 2. How much will have? Minus 2 if I do, minus 0. Okay, minus 0.82391, minus 0.82391. I will have this one minus 0.82391, minus 0.82391. Okay, so the problem over here is what? The mantissa is negative. Okay, you cannot keep the answer in which the mantissa is negative. You have to make it positive. Okay, so very simple. So I can write this one as what? Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay, at first break this one. Minus 0 minus 0.82391. So minus 0 I can write, just increase 1. That is what? Minus 1 plus 1, like that. Okay. Minus 1 plus 1 is what? 0. Then minus 0.82391. Okay. So this is minus 1 this is minus 1, and what will happen if you subtract this from 1? It will become positive. This will become 9. 9 times 0, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 1. It will become what? Plus 0.17609 plus 0.17609, isn't it? 17609. So now if I combine, then I will add 1 bar 0.17609. So this is the answer, 1 bar 0.17609. So you have to make your mantissa positive. Okay, you cannot stop here in the answer sheet. Okay, done. So rest you can try by yourself. Let us see question number 5. Question number 5 and question number 6 is very simple, and this type of question comes in the exam. Okay, question number 5 and 6. These questions are solved with the help of what? Characteristics, because characteristics gives us the number of digits in the integer part, and characteristics also gives number of zeros between the decimal point and the first significant digit. So number 5 is find the number of the digits. Okay, say which number I will do. Okay, I am starting with number 1 only. Number 5, number 1, 2 to the power 20. 2 to the power 20. So solution, very simple. Let x equal to 2 to the power 20, which implies log of x will be equal to what? Take log both sides, 2 to the power 20, which implies log of x will be equal to 20 log what? 2. 20 log 2. So log of x will be equal to 20 into what is the value of log 2? It will be given in the question, but you memorize this value, 0.30103. So log of x will be equal to, so this will become what? 3 2 just 6, 0 2 1 just 2, 0 2 3 just 6, 0. Okay, so one more 0 will come. Okay, so point 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So just 6, 0 1 2 0 6, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and one more 0, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. 6 point how much? 6.0206. So what is the product? 6.0206. So now log x value you have got this finished. Now just simply check the characteristics. 6 is there, right? 6.0206. So here what is the characteristics? What characteristics we have there? 6. Since the characteristics is equal to what? 6. So the number of digits will be what? Find the number of digits in the following numbers. Therefore, the number of digits will be equal to 6 when it will come. See, over here we do n minus 1. See, this is a positive question, right? The characteristics is positive. So the formula will be of n minus 1, not of minus n plus 1. Okay, since it is not in bar, only when you will have bar over here, your formula will be minus n plus 1. So since it is positive, so your formula is what? N minus 1. So either you make it equal to 6 only, then you will get the n value of n. Or shortcut, the formula over here is what? N minus 1. We have done minus 1. That means now we have to do plus 1. 6 plus 1 what? 7. So the number of digits will be what? 7. Means decimal point will lie after 7 digits. So number of digits is how much? 7. Say like this, you will get 4 7 6 3 9 2 1 4 3 4 2. So since the value is 6, the formula is what? N minus 1, isn't it? So n minus 1 is equal to 6, which implies n will be what? 6 plus 1. Since over here minus 1, so you add plus 1. You will get the value of n what? 7. So decimal point will lie after 7 digits. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. So that one only you have to write. The number of digits is what? Equal to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and what? 7 digits are there. Okay. That is decimal part. So this way, this type of questions, you have to just look the characteristics and you have to write the value. Plus 1 you do and you will get the answer. And if you have problem, then you just simply match with the formula. That is what? N minus 1 equal to whatever characteristics you will have, you will write this here, find the value of n, you will get. Okay, number 2 is similar, number 3 is also similar, number 4 similar, 5 is same, 6 is also same, 7 is also same, only here in product form it is given, 8 same, 9 same, 10 same. Okay. Okay, say for example I am doing one last question number 8 I am doing. Okay, it is same only exactly, but still question number 8 I am doing one more. What is given? 3 to the power 12 into 2 to the power 8. Number 8. Okay, 3 to the power 12 into 2 to the power 8. Isn't it? Solution. So let x equal to 3 to the power 12 into 2 to the power 8, which implies log of x will be equal to log of 3 to the power 12 into 2 to the power 8, which implies log of x will be equal to, this one I can write, log of 3 to the power 12 into log of 2 to the power 8, which implies log of x will be equal to 12 log 3, okay, not into, sorry, plus 8 log 2, okay. So which implies log of x will be equal to 12 into 0.47712, the value of log 3. It will be given in the question, 8 into 0.30103. Done. So multiply log x, 12 into 0.47712, multiply, you will get 5.72544. You will get 5.72544 plus 8 into 0.30103, if I do 2.40824, 2.40824. So which implies log of x will be equal to, if I add this two, then 5.72544. So I will get 8.13368. 8.13368. Okay, how much I have got? 8.13368. So very simple. Now since characteristics is equal to how much? 8. So therefore number of digits will be equal to what? So therefore number of digits simply 8 minus 1 plus 1, 9, isn't it? How much? 9. When you will have the value as 8, obviously 9 minus 1 you will get 8. So 9, or n minus 1 equal to 8. N will be equal to 8 plus 1, that is 9. You add 1. Since in the formula it is minus 1, so you add 1. Okay, so this way. Next is also same. How many zeros are there? Same type of question. These questions are done by looking the characteristics. But in the questions, in the question number 6, since it is asked how many zeros are there, so then we will have over here bar. Then this formula will not come. Okay, that n minus 1 equal to 8, n will be equal to 8 plus 1, 9. This formula will not come. Then that formula will come, minus of n plus 1, it will be equal to something bar. That formula we will use over here. Since in that formula it is plus 1, so we will decrease 1. Shortcut you can do. Plus 1 is there, decrease 1. If it is 9 bar, then 8 zeros will be there. Okay. So that one we will do in our next class. Other question you do by yourself. Simple calculations are there. Try to make your calculation fast. Okay. That will save time in the exam. So today we will stop here. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding this simple question, nothing is there. But regarding anti-logarithm, if you have any doubt, okay, you can ask. Okay. Thank you.